Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
What is a vector? To start, a vector is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. So if you just said you're traveling 50 miles per hour, that wouldn't be good enough to be a vector. You'd have to say you're traveling 50 miles per hour east, let's say. Standard vectors we like to draw coming out of the origin and making an angle with a positive x-axis. If we label the origin as O and the ending point of our vector as P, we could call this vector OP. Or you might find people use lowercase letters like U and V to name vectors as well. The length of the vector, or the distance from O to P, we call the magnitude, and the notation looks a lot like absolute values. The angle our vector makes with the positive x-axis is called the direction. Finally, we say two vectors are equal if they have both the same magnitude and the same direction.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.